This is the walkway at Bird Point that is outside of Anchorage when you're on your way to the Kenai Peninsula. It's really nice. It's got walkway, and this is where you can see the whales and stuff. They've got a telescope where you can look through. But anyways, just wanted to get one more shot of the mountain range real quick before we hit the road. Look, Vanessa, you can see the tracks. The train that we took last summer went from Anchorage to Seward and went along those tracks.
And the termination dust.
And yep, the termination dust, which signifies the end of summer. Like I said, it's cold here. 25 degrees this morning. Alright, ride it on.